Hello everybody and welcome to another episode of No Skills Required. Today I'm going to show you this voltage controller regulator. We're going to put it to test to see how it's going to. Alright, so let's get crack on. Voltage regulator. Well, yeah, alright, was a crappy intro. Alright friends, so we have here this voltage regulator. You're gonna see inside the bastard thing, it's got a couple of knobs and stuff. This one, I got a diagram of connection for this one. Here you go. It's got a simple 2+2 pins, an input. This one is rated in input, phase and neutral. There you're gonna put it to some kind of socket, and output as well, phase and neutral. There you're gonna connect a light bulb, a motor, and whatever we can to dim it out. Alright, so let's get started. Alright friends, so as I showed you, I did mounted here a Jevis plug. This one has got a code 82062393. Just put it here for the output. And the input, we're gonna put the usual crappy stuff of us, like this one. We're gonna just plug it in and we're gonna get started. Alright, so we have connected the input. On the input part is the shitty thingy over there. We're gonna plug it in. And the output is gonna be this with the protection plug. Alright, so this one doesn't have any ratings whatsoever, nothing, how many amps, how many watts, how many is gonna stay. It's got here some kind of thingy from 0, 1, 2, 3 till 10, but that's kind of shitty made, but we will see what we can make with the bastard thing, and then we're gonna measure to see the voltage. Alright folks, so we have connected a multimeter to the 600 volts alternating current as well. We have managed to put the probes in. Let's do it a test to see if we got yeah 222 volts. Let's try to decrease, so let's see. What, it's not doing nothing. Alright, maybe it's gonna need a load. Alright, we have a load, a light bulb, and an LED 10 watts bulb. Let's see, we got the knob onto the 0 position. Let's try to give it a little bit more power. Not doing nothing. Start flickering. So basically this one is maximum power. Then we're gonna adjust it. It's gonna start flickering now because this one are not dimmable light bulbs. With the 6168 is a little bit dim. Yeah, it's dimmer, the bastard. We can dim it more. No, that was kind of it. 165, and it's like a flashlight kind of thing, very dull, but still is usable. All right, let's change this one with the bigger one. Let's put an incandescent one. I got here 100 watt, 220 volts, incandescent one. Let's see if this one we're gonna dim it more nicely. Alright, so we got here maximum power 229. We're gonna lower the voltage. Is you go. It's going bollocks, man. It's going all over the place. But the light is dimmable and start ringing. Let's go. We are at 100 or 93 volts. So basically the load, the voltage is depending on the load. Let's go minimum. Minimum is done. Now it's not doing nothing. Let's go a little bit higher. The fuck? So we can dim it properly, but it's got this ringing noise. Here you go. Now it's drawing like 10-15 watts. So basically it's alright if you got to have a nice looking stuff. Alright, maximum power, maximum voltage. Alright, let's proceed with another thing. Let's do the stuff. We're gonna bring in a circular saw. We're gonna unclip this bastard thing as I put it on the back, and we're gonna use the plug as it should be meaning to be used. Alright, so let's go. Come on. Okay, we got it here. We're at maximum thingy. Let's start the bastard thing, and with another hand we're gonna try if he's gonna lower the speed. Alright, so we got power. Okay, still working, but it cut off. What the fuck happened? Doesn't like it. Let's go all the way down, and then no, doesn't like it, man. The bastard is not liking it, this thing, so it's not meant for this kind of stuff. Maybe another kind of motors. Alright friends, so that was it with the voltage dimmer. It's not quite good for all the application. It's not gonna go all the way down, maybe till 100 volts or so. What we can do with this one, I tried it once with a washing machine motor. That was a great one to dim it out, but with a circular saw or something else, I don't think it's gonna do the job. Alright, so thanks for watching. In nominal, thumbs up, subscribe, and see you on the next one. If you got the diagram for bulbs, incandescent one, yeah, it's great. For LED ones, not so. Alright, thanks for watching, friends. See you on the next time. Ciao, ciao.